Spencer, back up. Is this a cat or is that a skunk? What are you doing out here? You were going towards the road. Be easy, Spencer. Look, don't be an asshole. Oh my God. I can't leave you out here. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't.
Overthinking the jump.
To see if I...
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
The great cat stance.
Buddy, thank you. Can you just put him down? What the fuck? Harley, where are you gonna take it? Are you fucking friends with him? What do you mean? Dude!
New aircon technician.